This one's called a helicopter. Some people call it a Maradona. I got all different names for it. I like myself calling it a helicopter. Dribbling a ball, here, going all the way around. Check it out, let me slow it down for you. What's happening is, you're dribbling the ball. Your right foot is gonna go on top of the ball. As your right foot goes over the ball, your left foot here is gonna come up on the ball. You're then gonna turn around and keep going straight forward. Let me show you how that's done. Here's a show-off move, the helicopter. Dribble straight at him, both feet on top of the ball, boom. Pull